Hello?
Chief Justice, you're speaking with Francis. How can I help?
Yes, look, it's John Wanoa here, Noda Who speaking. Look, I've put an application in for a court hearing in the High Court, and I'm a pensioner, and I was wondering if I can get sent out the information to fill out, or I'm trying my best to take it offline and fill out the forms. Although I've sent my case in, it's a very serious case, and it'll be the biggest case in the world actually. And I want to try and do it myself because I haven't got money to pay a lawyer, or I haven't had a chance to get one as yet. And I know the fees are 2021 for a court case like this, and that's a money laundering case. And I wondered what you can help me to do. If you can send me forms out, or I can go online and try and do my best um, as a pensioner. I'm trying to get legal aid as well because I think I qualify for that as well. I'm going through all the documents to try and fill out as best I can. And if I can't get a lawyer, then I'm going to represent myself.
Okay, and sorry, what forms are you requiring?
I want forms for legal aid and also for a criminal case of money laundering, and that's quite substantial. A case it is. I've done all the work myself as a native court judge. Okay, so I've been doing that for quite a few years, 50 years in fact, and I'm senior, but I'm pension. I've done that all my life, and also other community projects that I've got ready to go. The money that's supposed to be for it was stolen, and it's all I've got all the information for it to put into the court. And I'm going on a precedent case in Hamilton where the similar case went through the High Court and went to the Appeal Court, and the Commission, Commerce Commission, took over the case, and it came out in favour of the people who were complaining about misjustice, and that's what I want to do as well, to show up where the fraud is. And if I can get a help to put it together, I'll be quite happy to fill out everything if I know where to look and what to get. I can attempt to look myself, but then if I get a hand to do it, I can do everything a lot myself to help the case.
Okay. Yep, do you have an email address that I can send that information to?
Yes, it's Moai, Moai, energy, Energy, at gmail.com. And my name is John Wanoa. I'm from the East Coast, Ngāti Pro, but I live in Auckland, and I've been doing these sort of cases for years. And I just want to make certain that everything is squeaky clean all the way through my research to put it all together. So if you can send me all the documents that for the legal aid and for the proof of income is my pension, and also the application to the secretary for a high court case for money laundering or Phoenix activity, and it's a real bad case that should have been dealt with, but I had to get all the information together, and it's all there. Nothing's missing. And I've been with Ngāpuhi up at Waitangi. I'm well known up there for years as the president. I'm the president of the Confederation of United Tribes of New Zealand. Okay, so I do all the British Crown stuff. I'm in right in that field. with the British Crown and our partnership with Britain.
Alright, yep. I'll send you an email shortly with that information and those forms. Okay.
Yeah, thanks very much. What's your name again?
Francis.
Francis. Thank you very much, Francis.
More than welcome.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
There we go. That's Francis in the High Court. He'll send me the information because some ways it's quicker that I've asked for everything that he's going to send me. And I'll put his name down. And now I've got his voice on the video to make certain that I'll follow this case all the way through and disclose everything, because I want to make sure that this whole case with Edie Mitchell and the Mitchell Family Trust is going to be brought to justice, locked up, and all the property in Australia and New Zealand seized off him and put back in my company for the people. It's supposed to be for the people in the community of Kaipara and the whole of the Auckland Northern region of the Manukau Land Company in Scotland, and also Ireland, where my family comes from as well, and our British Crown legal system of partnership. And that's really towering above every other case in the world, because it's the biggest one, 17 trillion US dollars, leased land of New Zealand, 201 years, and Edie Mitchell spent 303 shell companies in Australia. The Mitchell Family Trust, if you look at the ABN lookup in Australia, you'll see the Mitchell Family Trust. That's that 17 trillion there, and he's still got over 10 billion here in New Zealand, and property I'm going to seize a whole lot off him. It belongs to the New Zealand shareholders, and I want to put that together with our team here and our team in Northern Ireland. Our partnership there with Britain and the British Crown, and the 1835 King William IV Confederation of the United Tribes flag, the 1835 flag in Waitangi, flying on Titi Marae in front of the 13 chiefs there. I put that together with the documents to make sure that's the flag of New Zealand and the jurisdiction of ownership on the land lease, and also the King William III of Orange and his 8-point star of lease Municipal Corporations Act that King William IV has got in the flag as the 1835 Municipal Corporations Act flag, and also a contract flag, a bank trading flag, and also the flag that makes our partnership with King William III of Orange with the 8-point star of St. Patrick in Downpatrick in Northern Ireland, and Killinrush there as our family there, and the flag is bearing those 8-point stars in northeast, southwest of the world to pick up the rent on all the lease lands in the world, 257 countries. That's what I'm holding, the deed of title, the Manukau Land Company in Scotland, and also the jurisdiction of the King William III of Orange Mortgage Lien Bank of Admiralty in Northern Ireland, Belfast. Okay, so there. That's Francis from the High Court, and I'll be able to talk to him anytime now. He's going to send the emails through to me to do the court case as soon as I can, as soon as possible, and also the legal aid, which is going to waive the fees for me, and the High Court case, money laundering or Phoenix activity case that I just explained to him, that I'm the chief and president of the Confederation of the United Tribes of New Zealand, up there at Waitangi, and the flag bearer and deed of Moe Manukau's title to Helensville and the Awaroa Native Magistrate Court Bank. Okay, the original court of record 10-acre block of land that made the first mortgage in the world there, and that's us here to straight to Ireland, and our British partnership contract. Okay, we're going to push that over the top of Donald Trump because he hasn't got a king's flag on the dry land. He's got a stars and stripes of all these states in America, but it's not a king's flag of mortgage. So we're going to put a mortgage on his head and 970 million trillion pound note over him and his crypto and his grayscale trust and versus the Maori Crown King William III trust and put him out of business and liquidate him and all his 37 trillion debt on his head to call up account and pay it back to the British Crown. The British Crown is the franchisor and also the mortgagee and the owner of all the mortgages in the world, okay, and the bank. And the £2 pound note of William Patterson from Scotland and our Manukau Land Company there in the first place that put everything together with that £2 pound note, and I'm going to make it sing our praises for the money and the chip coin, that's the bar of gold, kg bar of gold, that's worth 300,000 US dollars against 1 bar, £1 note. Is three of those makes one of our £2 pound note. So our £2 pound note is 3 times as valuable as a 1 bar Rothschild's unpatented pound note. We've got the patented pound note and the patented flag, the entrenched flag on dry land. All the other flags are in the sea of Admiralty. So you have no jurisdiction on the land. We have the deed of title on the land and in the sea as well. Okay, so there we go. That's all I want to say for now. I'll just get back to my email and check to see that I have got the email. I'll have a look now and just check to see if it's there. I'll just check now there and see if he's sent it. Contact making civil claim. Here we go. And he's got Tēnā. Thank you for your call. Below is some information about making a civil claim in the district court. The civil jurisdiction mostly deals with disputes between individuals or organisations. Here's claims made that are for less than 350,000. To start a civil proceeding, you will need to file the following documents: cover sheet, notice of proceedings, statement of claim, list of documents relied on, the filing fee of $260. For more information, guidelines, forms to assist with your query, go to the following link. So there, that's that, but I have to ring him back again because it's 17 trillion, not 350,000. That's in a district court. I'm going in the High Court. I rang the High Court, and he's only got 350,000 civil jurisdiction. I have to ring him back again. Hang on, I better ring him now. Yep, it's still rolling.
Street of Justice. Your call may be recorded for training and reference purposes.
$260 filing fee. That's the district court.
answering your call. We are experiencing high call volumes at the moment. Please continue to hold for the next available representative. The information you require may be on our website www.justice.govt.nz, including how to submit an application or pay online. Ministry of Justice, you're speaking with Sarah. Can I help?
Yes, Sarah. Look, I was just talking to Francis a minute ago, and it's John Wanoa here, and he's sent me some documents for a case I want in the High Court in Auckland there, but it's only going up to 350,000, and my case is 17 trillion US dollars and not 350,000. Can you send the right documents for me? Because I want to I've already sent it into the High Court, all the documents that I have initially, and for 17 trillion, that's how much is now exposed and stolen from me, the one that put the lease land contract together for New Zealand, and I'm the president of the Confederation of United Tribes here in New Zealand. And so, is Francis there? I was speaking to him before. Is it possible to speak back with him? Because he has sent me email, and I can see it only goes up to 350,000 in a district court. I'm going to the High Court, and if necessary to the Supreme Court, because this is the biggest case in the world that's happened here, the lease of New Zealand, and I want to make sure that all the information is there. I've done all the research over 50 years in this country as one of the original leftover chiefs. Okay, so is it possible for you to send me the right forms for that?
What was your email address?
It's MOAI Energy, ENERGY @gmail.com, and if you can send me the correct forms for that much, 17 trillion US dollars, or 12.5 trillion British pound notes, because I'm doing all the British law. I'm a judge in a native court. That's my profession at the moment that I've been doing online for a long time. So I just want to put a case that's clean all the way through. It's got all the information there with the British Crown. I deal with them direct there. I've got people on that end and people on this end, and I know what I'm doing very well. And because I'm a pensioner, I asked to get legal aid because it's 2021 for the fee for the money laundering case. I want to put a money laundering case or Phoenix activity case through the High Court in Auckland, and then because it's a big case that I want to put it out there now with the courts. That money belongs to the people of New Zealand, not to the people who stole it. I've found it all, put it all together, and for a court case, and I want to make a clean court case in the High Court. And if necessary, I'm trying to get a barrister, but everybody's busy, I can't get one, and so I'll do the case myself, and I can do that with confidence.
Get this. Is there anything else that I can help with?
What's that?
Yeah, I'll get those sent through to you. Was there anything else I can help
No,
with?
that was all. Just legal aid forms, and also I'm looking on the site as well, so I'm making sure I fill everything out right down to the last bit, and it was the right forms for the High Court, not the District Court, for the High Court for that much, and and I want to put it in together. I've sent the things already to the High Court. It's there, the case and its initial form, and I've got the AI looking after me as well to make sure it's legalese. It's there, and if you look at my email from me, John Wanoa, Wanoa, if you look in your email in the High Court, then I've put it in already 3 days ago, and I don't expect to get an answer yet until I get everything finished with the application to see how we get on. Okay? That was all.
No worries. Bye-bye. I'll get this sheet through.
Thank you very much. Bye, Sarah, eh?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, Sarah. Okay, I'll wait for her. All right. Bye-bye. There we are. That's Sarah. And she's going to send the right forms to me now. I'll just check while I'm here on the phone to you to see if she sends the right forms. Because Francis sent me the wrong ones. That was for only 350,000. And that's in the district court. No wonder it cost $260. So $260 to go there. It cost $2,021 to go to the High Court. With this case, it's not a little case; it's a big case. I'll just wait till it comes through. Apply on this another one. Thank you, Tina Queer. Civil matter. Before you apply legal aid, you need to nominate a lawyer who has agreed to your case. For help finding lawyer, please visit the following link. Okay, I'll take one of those lawyers that she's sending me, Sarah. So there, I've got the email now. I'll just go and push it right out. Regional Registry Officer, message clipped, entire message. She's just sent the clips of where to go. So before you apply for legal aid, you will need to nominate a lawyer who has agreed to take on your case. For helping finding a lawyer, please visit the following link. Well, I'll find a lawyer there yet. To apply for legal aid for family or civil matter, you will need to complete a legal aid application form. You can find the relevant information form on our website. Your lawyer will be able to complete the form. Okay, I'll let the lawyer do it. For more information about applying for legal aid for a civil or family case, please visit the following link. No, I want a criminal one. If you have any further inquiries, please don't hesitate to contact us. Okay, there we go. That was Sarah. And that's all. Okay, that's all for now. And I'll put this up online so that you can see. I'm talking to the High Court. Now I've got all the lawyers. I can go and choose which one that does legal aid and let him do all the legal aid documents instead of me. Because it's a little bit harrowing looking through all the documents. I've taken all morning just on the legal aid and a few other things. I'm going to be there all bloody day when a lawyer can do it in a short time. Okay, so that's all for now. We'll catch you later, and I'll just keep on the button with the case. Okay, bye for now. Today is Wednesday, the 15th of October 2025. Okay, bye.